Hi, this is Rowan, the other guy at 99 Sensors, live from the ISE2022 at Barcelona. At 99 Sensors, we're all about gathering data from sensors and other kinds of devices, aggregating them, enabling them to make critical business decisions based on data. One of our showcases here is the so-called ScreenTree, where we visualize how to control and diagnose brand agnostic all kinds of screens, enabling you to reduce service costs by up to 50%. It is also a showcase for greener signage, as we are reducing the backlight, the brightness of the screen, depending on the ambient light level. Right now it's quite dark, so our Samsung is here on 50% backlight. Once we apply some light to our light sensors, you can see the backlight going up to 90%. Once the light is reduced again, it will go down to 50%, and therefore enable you to save a lot of energy and go green. All this is done with our small device here, which we call the DooHBOXX. It connects to your screen, connects to your player, and you can connect all kinds of sensors. So you could imagine different scenarios, like for example, if you connect a motion sensor, you could actually control the screen based on the distance of your viewer to the screen, and therefore creating a more interesting and a more effective user experience. You could also count people passing by, therefore having some audience measurement, and you could even turn the backlight off if there is nobody in range, enabling you to go even greener and save even more energy costs. If you're interested in this kind of solution, don't hesitate and contact me at 99 Sensors. Just ask for the other guy. I'll be there. Thank you.